Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, the market is open and we can see the market is more stable. There is not much craziness in the market. Market is behaving like a typical Monday market. Right now, market is standing around 2322. In the morning, I saw market made a high of around 2328. So those who were stuck around 2325, 2326, I hope you got exit because I received many emails, okay, where people have expressed their concern that they are stuck around 2325, 2326. So probably you got the exit right now. So whatever levels that we discussed on Saturday are still very much valid. But one thing that I have noticed on the chart of gold is the head and shoulder pattern here. Okay. If you have been watching my videos for quite some time, then you must know that I'm not a big fan of patterns. But when we have a clear visible pattern in front of our eyes, then obviously we cannot deny it. Okay. So let's do a quick analysis then. So today in the morning, I saw a comment. Okay, I saw a comment on my video where anonymous, okay, Hamzi Khan, okay, has mentioned that monthly formed a doji and it's a rare occurrence, and you still think this is bullish? Wow. Okay, then someone, Ninja Turtle, has commented that 2277 is not broken, it is bullish. Okay, but whatever, okay, he or she has mentioned here, okay, is really important. Okay, and I personally feel that I should also share the thing with you. First of all, let's go to the monthly chart. I'm a hardcore day trader, so usually I do not look at the monthly chart. But yes, whatever he or she has mentioned, okay, I cannot deny that on the monthly chart, okay, we can see strong price rejection from above. Market has formed a doji, and yes, there is a possibility that in the coming days, okay, market may show some good retracement. On the weekly chart, okay, just by looking at the weekly chart on Saturday also we discussed that there is a good possibility of a correction. Okay, but yes, we do not consult the monthly chart. So yes, it is true that monthly chart is also giving us the same indication. So on the weekly chart also we can clearly see that we should have a correction, or a correction is due on the chart of gold, and we can expect the market to come around 2150 at least. And if you go to daily chart, then on the daily chart, okay, we do not have a clear trend present. But as we have already discussed, and the comment has also mentioned, that we cannot deny that on the daily, okay, we can clearly see market forming lower highs. In short, monthly, okay, the monthly chart is showing that market is an indecision. There is a possibility of a trend reversal. The weekly chart is also showing a similar story. Okay, and the daily chart is also technically indicating us by forming lower highs that there is a possibility of a reversal. Okay. And today, when I saw that on the hourly chart also we can see head and shoulder pattern, I personally feel that yes, there is a good chance that market may show some reversal. Okay, so whatever we have discussed right now, okay, whatever we have discussed right now, we need to understand one thing very clearly, that okay, every time frame has a story to tell. Okay, for example, on the hourly chart of gold, we can see the market has formed a head and shoulder pattern, and right now market is at 2322. So head and shoulder pattern on hourly time frame doesn't mean that we will see a drop from here to 2200. No, every time frame has a capacity to deliver. So if market starts falling also drastically, max to max market will make a low of around 2300, isn't it? So what I'm trying to say, or what we need to understand here, is that okay, it all depends on our trading style. So as we were discussing till Saturday, that as a swing trader, position trader, we do not have a clear trade on the market right now. So we should, okay, we should stay on the sideline and we should wait for the right moment, isn't it? So if a big fall comes, then you can take a sell position, because if a fall comes, it will continue till 2200 or 2150 as well. But till then, okay, till then you need to be careful. This is not the right time to okay, this is not the right time to hit the sell button and wait for the right opportunity. No. Why? Because already we do not have any confirm. Already we have the indication right now, okay, from the technicals. But who will confirm it? Okay, who will confirm it? The fundamentals. Because the fundamentals give direction to the market, not the technicals. We may see 100 shooting stars, we may see 100 hanging men at the resistance. But if fundamentals do not give the permission, the market will not go down. Maybe market will go up. So if you are a swing trader, position trader, and if a big fall comes, you okay, you can take a sell position, but as of now you need to wait. And I think till NFP there is a possibility that market will remain within this range only. Okay, market should not, I don't think so there will be a very big fall, especially a fall below 2287 before NFP, because before a major event market prefers to stay sideways or market prefers to stay choppy. Okay, and if you look at the economic calendar today also we have a news coming up. You can see the PMI coming up. It is not a big event, but at least okay, market will show some volatility. So be careful at least for 1 hour, because for 1 hour, 1 or 2 hours, market may be volatile and it is enough to hit your stop losses. So be careful. Okay. And whatever levels that we discussed on Saturday are still very much valid. If market goes up from here, the best resistance on the chart of gold is still around 2388, then 2368. 269. These are the two best resistances on the chart of gold. We have also seen why they are very good, because of strong price rejection, very strong price rejection from above. Okay, you can see the trend has reversed. Along with that, we have FIBO 61.8% retracement level, and here we have FIBO 50% retracement level. Okay, and before that, okay, we can also see that we also have a resistance around 2340 area, the previous high made by the market. So if market goes up from here in absence of news, okay, you can also observe the market here. If volume stays like this, then obviously market will not be able to break it. In that case, you can look for a reversal. You can hit the sell button. But if you see that by the US session, market is very volatile, market is going up, market is standing at 2340 with a big green candle. Obviously market is in the mood of breakout. You can go for buy position. See, one level, two trading opportunities, that two opposite, buy and sell. So it all depends on the volume. So volume plays a very important role. For example, if you see a candle like this, okay, if you see a candle like this, then obviously you can you can go for a sell position. But if you see a big green candles like this at 2340, you can go for a buy. And earlier also we have discussed that if market falls, then the best buying opportunity are around 2287. This low made by the market from where we got to see the trend reversal, and then we also have another very good level around 2273, 2277 area. Okay, but those levels are far away. I don't think so market will show the face of 2287, 227375 by today. Okay, so we just need to keep our eyes around this area. Okay, on Saturday we discuss, my dear friends, we discuss buying opportunity around 2318, 2313, 2305. We discuss about these three opportunities on Saturday. So it depends if market goes down. Okay, if market goes down with very small candles, then yes, you may expect to make 20-25 pips around 2313, 2305 area. But because of the head and shoulder pattern, if market falls drastically with big candles, then obviously you can take a sell position at 2313. See, again we have a contradiction here. This is the main reason, okay, why people find trading very difficult, because there is no such thing as absolute. Okay, everything is very much subjective here. And chances of market breaking 2318 before US session is pretty less, because already it's around almost 11 here in India, and we do not have much volume in the market. In absence of volume, obviously market will find it very difficult to go down. Okay, so let's wait and watch. Okay, market has been very crazy for the last couple of weeks. Market has been very difficult to trade. Okay, and we cannot deny it. So please be careful. Okay, let's hope for a better month. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.